Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chris Vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to introduce you this application called Tico Livestream and Video Chat. So open natin. As you can see, para din siyang Popo application. So ito na yung pinaka dashboard ko. Yan na yung diamond ko, 63,760. So, sa task natin, for 7 days na live mo, kailangan makomplete mo yung 3 hours live daily. So, yung 3 hours live, pag na-complete mo yan, makukuha mo is 20,000 points for 7 days. So, that is 140,000 pag na-complete mo siya. Tapos, yung withdrawal method dito, is APay and bank. So, sa APay, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw. Ayan. Yung APay, pwede mo, withdrawal via bank must be 20. It should be. Then, sa bank naman daw is 20 USD ang minimum. Pag via APay, ang withdraw mo is 10 USD. Ang kanilang minimum withdrawal. So, dito, may party live din siya. Pwede kang mag-party live. Dito naman yung solo live. Kung familiar ka kay Popo, it's look like Popo also. Pero dito, mas malaki lang yung task niya for 7 days. So, sa 3 hours is 20 USD. Ang kanyang bigayan for 7 days. Pwede mo siyang ipunin. Pwede din siya dito nakahiga, pwede din naglalaba or anything that you wants to do while doing live streaming as long as na pinapakita mo yung mukha mo. So let's go. Let's try for live. Ayan. So, finish ko na yung task ko. Dito sa baba, makikita mo yung pinaka-task niya. Ayan. Dito mo makikita. Then, close live. Dito naman tayo sa party. Walang pinagkaiba sa Popo. Gaya lang din siya sa Popo. Ayan. So, if you want to join this application, ang kailangan nyo lang dito is verified lang ng mukha at saka profile picture. Tapos, pag na-verify na kayo, automatic lalabas na yung task nyo na 20,000 diamond for 3 hours live. Hindi na kailangan dito ng agency. Makaka-withdraw pa din. Thank you so much for watching.